So extra hot forex, it's Friday, it's a good Friday. So you know what we do, let's go straight to NASDAQ US30 and gold. Plus today I'm also going to talk about NFP because we have NFP today later on. So here we are, you can see the structure is just simple as ABC. You can see that. So I've been preaching about this area for some time now. I've been talking about this area. If you still remember, we were around this zone here. So I've been talking about this area. I told people that actually we should have a very nice buy around this area. Please check my previous videos. You will just find exactly what I was talking about. So you can see, let me bring it yeah. You can see from here back then, here you can see that this area was a very strong area or very important area as a support resistance here. Then here we just had a fake breakout, you can see that, but around the same area. Now our market reached this area, now is trying to bounce back. So I know at the moment the market will just play around this zone, but this area, guys, it's a very nice area or zone where we should have the nice buy, because just check the space here. The market has to recover or around this area here. It means we still on the resistant a support level which the market can still push up. And remember today we have NFP. So what I'm expecting now, I'm expecting that the market can still push a little bit higher, but maybe we will see the market coming around our support again when around 2:30 in my time zone, around NFP, when they introduce, or I mean when they release the news, we will see the market pushing higher. But I think maybe the market will start by going lower first, then the market will just push up. Please don't miss this, but apply your risk management. If the market is around this zone, please, you can have your nice positions, or what you can do is you can just use your pending orders, your buy pending orders. I think maybe today we will see the market breaking this resistance. You can see this resistance has been a headache for some time now. We were waiting for this zone to be broken, but it's very strong, guys. It's very strong. So maybe NFP can give NASDAQ that momentum to break this area. But when it comes to analysis side, everything is quite clear. You can see that we have a very nice support, a very nice resistance. So for you to be like to follow the rules, when the market is like this, we are on a support, we only buy. When we are on a resistance, we only sell. So if maybe you want to buy after this, you can just wait for the market to break, and here you're going to buy around this area. Or if you just buy anywhere around here, it's where you're going to lose some cash, guys. It's where you're going to lose because you are not patient enough for the market to do these things, to come around this area before you can buy. If you're just waiting for the market all day long just to buy sell, it's where you're going to fall under that 75% of people who always lose, and it's very bad. I don't like that also. So just follow what I do here, follow the market, then the market will just pay you. Don't just rush here. We also lose, guys. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I know that once you follow these things, once you follow these rules, it's where you're going to make money. Why? Because it means here you were not going to do anything until the market reaches this area, or when the market reaches this area. It's where you're going to say now it's on that zone where I should sell, or is on that zone where I should buy. So today for NASDAQ, my overview today is I'm waiting for NFP. I think the market will reach this area before it can push up. If that doesn't happen, it means we're going to see another breakout. Then the market, maybe it will move lower. Let's see maybe where can the market reach, because now we are on like 13,530. So I'm expecting the market to reach like 13,700 today. I think it's around this area. I expect the market to reach 13,700. So we expecting like plus or minus 200 pips. I think it's two. Yeah, something like that. It's two. Let's see. 700. No, it's 2,000 pips. 2,000 pips around this area up to this area. But if the market will push a little bit, it means it's going to be 2,000 plus pips. So it's what I'm expecting today. So let's see if maybe the market breaks lower, because we are not saying the market will just create whatever we are talking about here. So if which is also possible, if the market breaks this area, we will expect the market maybe to reach 12,000, sorry, 13,000, to reach this area here. 13,000. We'll just wait for the market to reach this area. But remember, the market won't just go straight. The market will just create moves like this before we can say the market can reach 13,000. Then from there, we will also look for what? To buy around this 13,000 up to maybe 13,400, maybe 13,400, which is going to be around here. So I hope maybe that's where you understand. Or if maybe the market breaks this area, it's where maybe we can say if we break this area, which is what I want, then I'm going to have another buy around these areas, because I also have another buy around this area that my people are eating in the moment. So it means if they lock their profit, I think everyone locked the profit. So if they can hold, but I think maybe when the NFP is released, we will see rejections before we see the market moving higher, you see. So from there, let's just go straight to US30. Then I will end up with gold. Okay, so here is US30, guys. I think everyone can see that. So it means we have to do our analysis again, because I saw that the market just changed the direction. So I have to do another one. So if we can keep drawing, let's just try to draw maybe something like this. What is happening? Guys, my network is very slow even now. Okay, so here on US30, you can see we have a formation like this. You can see this area, and this areas, they all make sense. So but if you check to our left, if you can point this area, you can see if you draw, you're going to find something like this. So which will make things very confusing for us. But if we remove everything, you will see that things they getting better. So that's why we don't have to force things that we don't see, because sometimes you can see when you draw things, or when you draw your trend line, you don't get a perfect line, or they all just making you like they all confuse you. So what you can do is something like this. I see something like this, but this one is also making sense. You can see this point, also this point, but here we having this resistance. You can see here it's a resistance, now it's a support, and we broken that support. But after we broken that support, we also have this support, you see. So it means at the moment we're going to rely on this support, this one. Let me just draw that clearly again, or let me just do this. You can see that now. Let me change the color maybe to red. You can see that now. This is what I'm thinking. You see this area, it's also a support. Why? You can see the market came, bounced. Let me say the market bounced twice here. The market did not reach, and now we are back here. So you can see maybe the market can create something like that. That's why I tried to draw something like this here. Maybe we will see a formation like that, but the market won't just make things easy for us. But here we are on support. That's why maybe the market bounced here. I never thought about that yesterday, but here I was looking around here, then we had this breakout. Then we can see that now check, let me zoom this. Now the market is respecting that area again, which can be confusing. Let me remove this. You can see here we had this support. You can see that this is a zone. So the market was just playing around like this. So here you can see that the market was supposed to respect this area. The market just broke that, and around that another support that I'm talking about, and we see the market pushing up again. Here the market respected this support again, which is confusing a little bit, but it means we just have to wait for the market to reach this area. You can see this is a support and this is a support. The market will reach this area where they all link together, where it's very close to each other. Then we can see, okay, now this thing is really relying on which one, you see, because there are two which they all, this market respected, this market here around here the market was respected, but here the market, we can say something like fake breakout, which is not, because when you draw this trend line here, they all connect. So now we're just waiting, or actually we are not waiting. The market really came back here and respected. So it means if you still want to get in this trade, because now we are above our support, it means it's a time maybe we can say we can buy. If the market reaches this area, we can have another buy. But now I think maybe you can just wait for that NFP to be released. If the market is around this support, I think the market will just shoot up. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not saying maybe the market won't go down, guys. Remember, we just analyze and have the probabilities. We're not saying we are 100% sure about everything that we say here, because some people, they just expect us, when we do the analysis or when we send the signal, like to be always 100%, which is crazy. You see, no one can do that. If they say they can do that, then they lie to you. They win some and also lose some. We also do that, so which is great, because we make money over time, not per day or in a week. We make profits during the week, but we also recover whatever that we lost a few days ago, you see. So around this area, I expect the market to go up, but for now I'm expecting the market to just consolidate around this area before we can see maybe the market going up. Or if that doesn't happen, we'll see this area of support and resistance, of support broken. Maybe we'll see the market going lower, maybe up to 32,200, maybe around this area where there is a lower low. I think maybe this area will be respected, you see. But if it pushes up, I expect the market to reach maybe 35,000. You see, 35,000 is my target. Maybe for even next week, I hope the market will reach that area slowly. But if we go down, I expect the market to come 34,200 around this area. I hope you see that. So let's go straight to gold and check if maybe we can able to get something over there. Okay, here we are on gold. So on gold, we had some nice analysis yesterday. You can see that. Let me remove this. This was my daily analysis, where we thought gold will break this area and go lower. You can see, and it all exactly created something like that. So but I drawn this here, this resistance now, because I see it's where gold rejected. So but remember also, gold if you see here, it's gold spot and US dollar. It means when NFP later on, when it's released, it's going to affect also gold. But what I'm thinking is, for now, gold can still play around these zones. So I think the market will just push up again after this, you see. So, but the best thing is just wait for the news to be released, so then you can have a nice trading day. I think maybe it will be a very nice Friday. Just check this out, guys. Don't forget to check this out around the NFP. Even if you don't do anything, just check it and see what the market will react when the news are released, you see. Then you can just gain that experience. But what I'm thinking here is the market will just play around until we see NFP released, then the market will shoot up. So you can see this bullish momentum it's been broken around this area, then the market just dropped, and you can see now we see another support that we can rely on. I don't think the market will just drop until so. And now we are n 18 1860. I think it's our, see here, sorry, let's say 800 1860, between 860 and 1850. It's our support. So if the market comes around these areas, it's where we're supposed to do what, to buy, you see. But now I don't think the market will just recover quickly. Don't be fooled by this. The market can still come back here and push the market higher. If that doesn't happen, it means we'll see the market breaking this zone again, going lower. That's it for today, guys. We will talk on Sunday, or when we have like our weekly idea. Thanks to everyone who is watching. Please, guys, if you not subscribe, smash that subscribe button. We having a special US30 and NASDAQ signals. They are now $15 as always. You know that they used to be at that area. It's only signals. It's one-time fee. Then that way you can enjoy the signals forever until you become a millionaire, maybe. So thank you, guys. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bye.